Hey guys, I wanted to do a little updated walkthrough of what the shipping containers are looking like. We just got that last shipment. Most of it is put away, not all of it, but I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like because we're getting really close to the season and some things are going actually really quickly. So let's get into it. Not glare, man. Okay, so we still have some of these Purple Fusion 25 shots. I can't really feel up there, but here we go, 1%er. And then also Revelation 25 shots. We got the base nectar, 36 shots. Kind of see. I can't see those ones, those are too tall. A couple more down there. Got big subwoofer, 1%er. Huge, 36 shots. Like, let's see if you can see the size difference. See that? Ow. Okay, we've got Amateur King. Please sell to me. 72 shots. I love this one. Big Buddha, 1%er. These ones are really popular. 3-inch bore. We've got a few of these left. Got this one, Moneyline by Nunya. We've got quite a few of those. Cash Game. This one's really nice. 357 shots. What else is down here? Let's see. This is the new Color Infinity. 340 shots. The wrap is really sick. The detail is insane. Another Cash Game down there. Nosferatu. I think this is probably one of my favorite ones that we have right now. Lots of noise. 1%er in their wraps, man, they're my fave. Okay, we've got Gangster Paradise, 100 shots, A and B. There's no compound connectors on those, but they're still labeled as A and B. And then Impeach This. 112 shots. Take Me to Your Dealer, 134 shots. Thank you. Ghostbusters, 140 shots. Is this also A and B? Or is it just different sides? Babe.
What?
Is Ghostbusters A and B?
No, they're just different sides.
Oh. Okay. We got some more Moneyline up here. Stealth Bomber. The wrap on this is really cool. The top of it, it's like all labeled for all the parts of Jet. For this beautiful Jet. 150 shots. Fan Cake. And Overlord. What did you say about this one? This is...
It's like the King of Kong, but way bigger.
Way bigger.
It's like double the size. And
these are going fast. Right?
That's the last one left.
That's what I was going to say next. Yeah. And then we've got Easy Money. Another one by Nunya. Moneyline. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's ours. That's
yeah.
ours.
Colossus.
Battle of Colossus by Bangerzy. It's pretty high up there. And we've got
There's
Voodoo.
neons behind here.
Hang on. Okay, there we go. So we got Voodoo. 49 shots. Also A and B, but they don't have connectors. Thank you.
That one's cool.
Yeah, the eyeballs. They look so cool. The detail is insane. It looks so 3D on the camera. And then, what'd you say is back here?
Neon.
Neon.
3-inch, 36 shot.
Then Minions hit back, Miami Vice. Let's see. High Life, 200 shots. I think those are also going really fast right now. Power Slave also going really fast right now. Thunder Willow. Ooh, what can I see? Porkies. Thunder Willow, 1% of 36 shots. That's one of our favorites. Toucan Sam. This one's been pretty hot too. 49 shots. This one's really, really nice. We've got Suicide Squad, 100 shots right there. A couple cases of Game Over back here. Tough Guy. We just posted a demo on this not too long ago. Terp Slurpers, same thing. None yet. This, I just love this whole wrap. Some Blood and Honey by Bangerzy. The wrap's really cool in this one too. Oh, we forgot some. Oh, this is somebody's order. We've got Diablo, Skull Crusher, Hellraiser, and then we've got Power Rangers, Cockfight. Ooh, Frosted Flakes down there. Brian's Song, couple cases of those. Spread the Doom, 100 shots. We've only got a couple of these left. Purple Fusion, more of these. More Game Over down there also. Double Vision, 36 shots. Detail's pretty cool. 420. I don't think we have very many of these left either. All those tattoos. Some more Godzillas. 36 shots. The Beast down there. Oh, we've got 24K back here. FTW. Monstrous Strobes. Couple of those left. My cock is bigger than yours. My kids love to say that one. They love it when we shoot that one off. Death Punch. Bare Necessities. Bass in Your Face. Bass in Your Face, sorry. Immortal, 72 shots. I wish I could show you the tops of the wraps, but a whole stack of it. Immortal Instruments. We use this one in a show. It's really cool. I really liked that one. What's this one?
Which one? Gold Digger?
Gold Digger, yeah.
Yeah, it's a fan willow. All willow, 130 shots.
Her teeth are pretty.
And then we got Scarface back there.
What's that one?
That one's BTK.
And then Megatron, 36 shot. Thing is massive.
Look at this one. Super neat.
Yeah.
Huge.
Then we have Neon, 36 shots. And then you have Super Neon, 49 shots. Let me see. There you go. Size comparison.
All salutes.
Wasted, 100 shots. One of my favorite shows. All-time favorites. Got some brass knuckles. 36 shots. Some Lucky Charms. What's it? Ready to roll. 205 shots. Baby, what's the ready to roll do?
It's a new, like really nice cake. Color with salutes, fan, a whole bunch of different stuff.
You guys heard it here live. We've got Death Row down here.
Unfinished business. Some cake.
Can't really see much of it right now. And then Wreck-It Ralph. How do you say this?
Manacle Dragon.
Manacle Dragon.
Triple X.
Crazy Train. Mexican Crazy Train. How do you say this one?
It's like a
How do you-
Spanish witch doctor.
But how do you say this?
I don't know.
Yeah.
La Hechir.
Spanish Witch Doctor. Blue Dream. We have quite a few of these left.
La Bruja.
La Bruja. This one's like, what, over 2 minutes long.
Yeah, it's like almost 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Night Owl. Another La Bruja. Sin City. This one's really nice.
Very nice. Yeah.
Tell them what it
a bunch
does.
of those.
Yeah, do we?
They're in the garage.
Invader. Resurrection. Both 1%.
These are all blue cakes.
Oh, this is the blue line. And then, if you know, you know. FTS. Cosmic Chaos. We had these ones last year. These ones are nice. And then
A couple of Master 8s left.
they just make their packaging so aesthetically pleasing. All the Masters. Anything Masters. We've got Wonelli, 49 shots. We just demoed this. And then what's that? Master Babe line. Orange, green, yellow, and pink. And then more Master shots. What do these ones do? Are they
Colors,
specified to these colors?
Color salute. No, they're all just random.
It'd be cool if they like matched what they packaged on there. Then Dino Willies, which are comparable to the coconut bombs. These ones are.
Some people say they're louder.
Yeah, I think my reaction said these ones were louder on our demo. My tummy keeps grumbling. We have all these back here too. Mad as a March Hare. Skull Crusher. We always start the night with these. The Skull Crushers, right, babe? We've got Happy Nugs. 100 shots. Ralph. Where's the rest of them?
They're gone. It's the only one left.
Oh no. Last one, guys. 100 shots. Up here we've got Ice, 100 shots.
Crazy fast. All salute.
Nightcrawler. Gambit. What's the movie that this always makes us think of?
The Deadpool 2 or Deadpool 3 or whatever.
Something like that.
The new one, yeah.
With Channing Tatum, the one who plays my name's Jeff. He plays Gambit in that movie, and it's my favorite. We've got Stakeout, nice little fan cake.
We
Right?
just demoed it.
Yeah, we just demoed this one not too long ago. We've got Deadpool, 60 shots. I feel like there's quite a few Deadpool cakes out there. No. What are these?
Eye of the Dragon.
Ah, I didn't realize we had that many left.
Oh.
Is this all we have left?
Packs. It's not
That's
bad.
all we have?
Mm.
And then, what's this one?
Mando.
Mando? I thought it was bigger.
It's cool. It's like fanned dragon.
Jester.
Dragon tail to salute.
Fan dragon tail to salute. Jester. Is this all we have left of Jester?
No, we've got another case right.
Oh. And then we got Superman shells back there. Mad Hawks. We still have some of these. Is this opened or no?
No.
No. Ball shells. Then we've got Master Gold. That one's one of our all-time favorites. Right?
Mm.
Bumble. Bombs away. More of the Dino Willy. These are like scattered everywhere. Venom, 96 shots. We don't have much Kraken brand, do we? No, we don't. A couple more brass knuckles. The boys. Is that the last one?
One left, yeah. And High Life also one left.
Oh,
That one's
that
a
belongs.
counter.
Yeah. And then all these little salute cakes. Is there color ones in here too?
This one's
Elemental,
color.
yeah.
I can't remember if this DC is like half color, half salute. There's also like blood and honey back there. And
DC. Huge disposition. We just did this one. Still have some BAMFs left. Super fruit. What was that? A bunny just ran by. Some Carolina Coast. These they're good. They're good for how little they are. Burnout. 16 shots. Elemental. This is the one with color in it. Kamikaze. Warheads. This has a little bit of color at the bottom. No? Okay, we have Rednecker, 25 shots. Dark Knight. Oh, this is going to tip over, babe. So there's blood and honey back here. Ooh, some of those wilder days. And then we've got a lot of shells down here. Some badass. Ghostbusters. Ganja. I haven't actually even seen that in a while. Masters. Mortar Madness. Noam. We don't really have those anymore either, huh? Some of the Hydro Kings. Master Sixes.
King Cobras.
Yeah.
8-inch.
You can't really see them. They're out more somewhere else. So yeah, this is what this container is looking like so far. Don't forget to hit us up and stay tuned. I'm going to do a walkthrough of the second container. Get that posted up real quick. Our emails are in the bio if you're interested in our product list. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, leave a comment on what we should do next.